What's up guys, I watch you, and today we're gonna learn how to fix the stuck crown on the Apple Watch. Like you see, I already fixed it, but it's not moving. Okay. Now this is hard to fix. This is very simple way to fix. This trick is made by Apple. What you need to do, if you have a leather band like me, taking the strips out, 1 and 2, and then put it in hot water, not hot, warm water, and just for 15 seconds. Okay, let's go to the demonstration. So all we need to do, taking that wrist out, like you see, 1 and 2. Turn the Apple Watch off. Okay, it's turned on. Now we need to open the water at a kinda hot warm water. Okay, like this. Check it for it going to be a little bit warm. Okay, now all we need to do, taking that watch, put it in the water and press the button for 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, like you see, 7, 8, 9, 10. Few more seconds. Take a towel, dry the watch, and now the crown will work perfectly. Okay, you can turn on the watch back, connect that bands again, like you see. And that's it. Now the crown will work again perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.